Hi guys, so in this video we're going to be showing you the before and after of our renovation.
And if you've been following our channel, you'll know that we showed you a day-by-day kind of journal video type of thing, showing you exactly what we did every day. We painted and restored the walls, plastered a few areas, and yeah.
Bit of tiling.
Bit of tiling here and there. Yeah, a little bit of tiling. All right, let's go. Great, so we've got the keys to the property, got 6 keys for the same door. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention, this is not really a high-end refurbishment. It's pretty low end actually, because the ceiling value on the road doesn't make any sense. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you're watching this. That's the property we got, and it looks large. Well, it is large. It's a 3-bed end of terrace house.
So this is a living room, and this is a before, and here is the after.
And this is the dining room before, and this is it after. Oh yeah, please excuse the cleaner, just pretend she wasn't there.
And this is the kitchen, which was like the worst room in the house.
Yeah, and this is how it looks now.
Okay, so now we're going to show you the rest of the property on how it looked before.
Wow.
Stairs weren't great, were they?
Nah, these stairs are bad. I remember stopping because literally I thought it was going to fall through. And that radio was coming off as well. Storage room, it's quite big.
Yeah, good space in there. Got the lovely mirror there on the wall.
The boiler was pretty old though, to be honest with you. But we ended up changing the boiler actually. Oh, you love this room, innit?
Oh yes, this room, the bright orange. With the elephants. Crazy.
The wallpaper was literally peeling off most areas. I don't know who decorated this room.
There we go.
Yeah, that's it falling off literally from the wall. I think we removed it completely and then me and Dad put it back together, I think. Even the stairs here, this is a part where, look, I stop in the video and I literally press it and it's so weak. I think the stairs were literally not supported from the wall side sort of thing. And even these threads were all like split, broken, making cracking sounds. Oh yeah, this floor is basically the second floor. So it's ground floor, first floor, second floor. It's a very, very tall property. And there's actually a loft on top of it. So if you were to include the cellar, I think it's like 5 floors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, something like that.
There we go, got some more painting on the ceiling as well.
What do you say?
A bit of painting there on the ceiling as well.
Oh yeah.
Here the wallpaper was falling off quite a lot as well, isn't it? You just take coming off like.
This room was easy. I remember your dad. Remember when he fell over in the video, almost. Literally, the wallpaper here in these rooms are really, really easy.
Oh no, this room had chipwood.
Oh yeah, and half of it.
Yeah. And in one of your previous videos, this is where you started painting with the spray gun.
Oh yeah. And all right, so now we're showing you the property, like pretty much how it looked before. It's time to rewind.
Yep. Take it back.
And here's the after. So we got carpet throughout the property on the first and second floor. A budget end carpet, really. You know, not too budget, but the underlay was quite decent.
Just a standard grey colour.
What did we do to the walls? We plastered it and we did other things. Repaired some cracks, painted it. Oh,
there we go. There is me. That remained the same in there.
Yeah, pretty much.
Here we put fresh lino down, grey, and there's a retiling we done.
And we try to match the tiles rather than destroying all of it. It was a light refurb and we try to be sensible with that budget, isn't it? So we just literally got the closest looking tiles we could find. We repaired the stairs, I strengthened that up in the previous videos and just carpeted them. This is a double room, medium-sized double room. It's quite good views actually from the top on this property, isn't it?
Yeah, you can see quite a bit.
Yeah. So we'll see how this sells or rents. Depends whichever comes first, really.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, see you soon.